SoFi, how to add money or cash to your wallet balance. Welcome to a new video. In this video is going to show you how to use the SoFi. Basically, you want to go to SoFi.com. If you have an account already, you want to click on the login page. If you don't have an account, click on the referral link around this video if you haven't signed up already. But if you already signed up, just go back to SoFi website and click on the login, and you log into your dashboard and it'll bring you to this home page. Now this is in 2024 recording this video, so they update the dashboard and this is what it currently looking like. All right, so basically you want to go to your banking. You see the banking is at top and banking is here. Okay, so we click on banking and it opens your bank. All right, I already funded my account before and I'm gonna show you how you do that. Okay, so you come here to banking, you scroll down and you're gonna see your results. So you can see here the deposit $50. It was from my bank account. So you can also add your bank account, add Bank of America, and you can deposit $50, at least $50 or more, and you will get a $25 bonus if it's your first time and your first deposit. Okay, it must be your first deposit of $50 or more. So then we're going to click on this little icon, say more. All right, now this shows you if you're on the mobile phone. Okay, click on more. All right, come down here and you're going to see on the left bottom it says deposit cash. All right, this section right here, this is going to say if you have your SoFi debit card that was sent to and already arrived in your mailbox. So if you already arrived your SoFi debit card, that's the section you want to go to. Next one, if you don't have it yet, just click on connect bank accounts. Okay, so let me show you deposit cash. This is on official cash. You can go to any of these stores and pay additional of $4.95 fee. All right, that's the fee the teller charges. All right, so you can go to 7-Eleven, Ace Cash Express, CVS, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Kroger, Rite Aid, Safeway, Walgreens, and Walmart. All right, so all you do is to find the nearest one, you click on here to find all these stores near in your area. So once you find these stores, you got to go to that store with the cash in your hand. All right, and with your SoFi debit card. So those are the ways to actually deposit official cash money into your SoFi account. So also you want to click on your debit card and you can see if you have your debit card. So you see my debit card here. You have all information. Freeze your debit card, add digital wallet, all right, pins, replace your card. All right, so make sure your card has arrived. Once it's arrived, you can take it to those stores. All right, you actually go to these stores and deposit any amount and with a $4.95 fee. All right, next step is you want to do it right away, instantly, without your card. Just click on connect bank and you're gonna go click on connect new bank. All right, you're gonna click on get started. All right, you're gonna follow these steps. You're gonna put your number, you're gonna send you a text message, and you're gonna select your banks, and then you're gonna log in to your bank. All right, so just click on continue your guess so to show you how this looks. So you're just gonna select your bank, and I'm gonna select Bank of America, and then I already did this, but you see log into your Bank of America. You're gonna do the online into the app. You log in. After you log in, it's gonna connect to your SoFi. All right, and once you connect to your SoFi, okay, I already did that. So once it's connected, all right, you're able to go and add cash from your bank. Okay, so I'm gonna go click back on banking. All right, and then as if it's added, if you follow the steps to add your banking, all right, click back to more, all right, and we're gonna go to deposit, bank. Cash. Alright, so we're gonna have to follow the steps. Click on connect new bank. We'll click on get started. Send a text message. Click continue. Add your phone number to your account. You're gonna verify sending your code. Alright, once you put in the code, alright, you can see we're gonna select our bank. Then click on confirm. And then we must log in. Click on the login. It takes us to our bank login page, and then we're gonna log in. Click on submit. Okay, so it's gonna process the login. How would you like to receive it? You're gonna receive a text. Send code to your phone. All right, and we're gonna enter this code. Hit submit. All right, and then you're gonna be here and share your data. All right, log in to Bank of America. You've been sent to Bank of America to secure login. So click again to log in. Seven. Hit submit. It says almost done. Now this completes the connecting your bank account. Now if it says do it again, you don't have to do it another time. To keep you sign in and say manage your accounts, connected accounts. You can see it now is connected. All right, you may connect up to 5 accounts. All right, that's how you connect your accounts. All right. Deposit cash. Back here, deposit cash. All right. Let's go to banking. Now I click back on banking. Transfer money. Now you hit on transfer. You can transfer money at one time. All right, from your bank account. Once you connect your bank account, you can send it to your checking account. So this is when you come in. You put in your $50. All right, you click on next. All right, and you go through the process to do a one-time payment of $50 add to your Sofi account with your banking account. And as you transfer the money, it's going to be added to your bank account. and they're gonna give you the $25 bonus. All right, so this is how you do it. All right, it's very simple, step by step, easy to follow instructions. All right, I see you on the next video on the inside to set up the marketing system.